Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that guy. Fat, meat on the bottom, crispy skin on top, and all the herbaceousness. Give that a bite, man. You gotta. Just like that. Cheers. Crispy. Hey, what's up, you guys? We are back with another amazing video. My name's Eddie Vongse. For those of you who don't know who I am yet, today I am going to show you how to make crispy pork belly. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it, and don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up. Okay, so we're going to start off by cutting the pork belly into cubes, but we're not going to cut all the way through the skin. Onto the marinade. Here we have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and then also 1 tablespoon of paprika. Now we're going to want a little bit of sweetness in our pork belly, so we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then of course you're going to need a little bit of saltiness, so 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Cannot forget the oyster sauce. So once all the ingredients has been incorporated all together, it's time to give everything a good thorough mix. Here I'm adding some water into the dish, little by little, until it becomes the consistency that I'm looking for. Something like this right here. Lather that amazing marinade all over the pork belly. Be sure to get the lean meat side. Try not to get any on the skin, because we're going to be frying that later and we need that to be crispy as possible. Alright, so once you're done rubbing the marinade into the meat, it's time to flip it over, skin side up, and what we're going to do here is pat it dry. We want this side to be dry as possible. Adding some salt onto the skin will also aid in helping pulling out moisture from the skin. If you have rock salt, by all means feel free to use it. Set that aside, and I'm gonna let this sit in the refrigerator until I see all the moisture comes out. As you can see right here, have no fear, I promise you your pork will not be salty at all. So what we're gonna do here is basically scrape off all the salt off the skin and pat it down dry once more. After this step, you have 2 options. Option 1, you could either let it sit in the refrigerator and let the skin dry up, or option 2, which is what I went with, I stuck it in the air fryer and just let the top layer, the skin, dry up just a little bit more before I fry it. 5 to 10 minutes into the air fryer, I pulled it out, start poking a lot of holes into it. It's gonna create that crispy texture that everybody desires. My battery died, so I didn't record the part that I fried the pork belly skin, so I basically fried it with the skin side down. Alright guys, what's up? So we just got done cooking the pork belly. Take a good look at this. Let's see. There we go. Alright, so I just made some ginger sauce. Maybe y'all can see that. So are you ready to give this a try?
Definitely.
Yeah, we'll give it a go, okay? Cheers. Here, how about you grab that sauce and I'll grab this other one right here. Just like that. A lot of pepper.
Definitely.
Pepper, ginger, everything, lime. Spicy. Ready? Let's go. Taste test. Mmm.
Mmm.
That's pretty good.
Good.
Crispy. Real crispy. Mmm.
You can bite right through the middle of it. The top part is perfectly crispy.
That sauce. That sauce is amazing.
Yeah.
This ginger sauce right here, it's really, really good. It complements
Perfectly.
pork skin. For sure. Traditional Laos sauce right here. I'll have a description, or I'll have a link to this later in the future on how to make this. But if you want to know how to make this, definitely just let me know. I'll show you how to make it. It's very easy, very simple. That is good.
That is good.
Let me get another one. Oh yeah, I can get you some. Get you some ginger, the cilantro. Oh yeah, there you go. You got it.
Look at all that. Yeah.
There we go. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Camera's being funny today. They didn't want to focus. See that? Alright, enough of that. Let's go.
That piece is really soft. Like, you bite straight through it. It's like jelly almost.
Yeah, when you get to
melts
that.
in your mouth.
Oh, one of the layers of fat. So the part to say like jelly's part of the fat, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It gets to that crispiest part. It's like butter. Crispy butter.
It straight up melts in your mouth.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's so good.
It's
So like,
good.
you know, like traditionally, well not traditionally, like how we would eat it, it's like we got your grilled pork, your grilled steak, you got this sauce, that's almost like mandatory. You gotta have that. You got your sticky rice, you know, and then most importantly, you have a gathering, family, friends, you know, out on the barbecue, cooking out back, enjoying yourself a drink, and then just having a good time, catching up, you know, family.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's what we're all about. Ooh. Getting spicy.
It does have a kick to it.
It has a kick. It's some good kick. For sure. There you go. So you got your crispy skin, the fat layer, and of course the meat. It's falling off. That's how tender it is. Look at it. Cam got a big one.
Oh, that smells so good.
It does. That the Chinese 5 spice right here. That will bring out the aroma so good, especially the sesame seed oil. That aroma, it just hits the spot. It's like pork skin. Literally pork skin. Yeah,
If I'm being honest,
yeah.
that's probably one of the best I've had because I had some throughout my life. It's never as crispy as this. It's always like really soft and flimsy. But this actually get a good crunch.
Oh, I did pretty good, huh? Nice. I got his approval. That's all that matters. Crispy, soft, flavorful. That the marinade that I made on this, it's money. That was. You got a marinade, you got a crispy, you got this sauce, and good food. Good food.
Sausage dresses it up perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real.
Well, yeah, definitely. Give us a thumbs up, you know, give this a try. I want y'all go out there, go to the store, get you some pork belly. Don't be afraid of it. Do exactly what I did in this video. Give it a try. And then, if you make it, share it with me. Let me know if you make it, you know, like how does it taste? Did it turn out good for you? Or did it go wrong? Because I thought, I don't know what I was doing half the time. But like, hey, it turned out good. It turned out real good.
Definitely.
So,
I will give this another try, and hopefully I'll make it better than this time.
Oh, that would be.
That's what I'm all about, you know. I'm all about upping it up, you know, doing it better than the first time. So,
Oh, check out this one.
ooh.
Oh, so heavy.
He dropped it right in the sauce.
That's perfect.
Right into the sauce.
This one is double.
Oh, wait, look at that. That right there. Look at that. Look how tender that is. Oh, there you go.
Oh,
Look at that guy. Fat, meat on the bottom, crispy skin on top, and all the herbaceousness. Give that a bite, man. You gotta show them what it's all about.
that one more time.
All right, listen up. The crunch. Ooh.
Oh, good.
That's good. Man, I know your mouth is watering at home right now. I bet y'all want to eat this, don't y'all? I don't blame you. I would too. As a matter of fact, I am right now.
That's good.
Oh, yeah. Be sure to subscribe for more future content and more amazing food. Just like this. Just like this. So far, 57 subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you.
Mm-hmm.
We came a long way from 0, okay? So trust me, I appreciate the love. So support everything. Thank you. We're going up from here. That's it.
Definitely.
Be sure to tune in. See y'all next time. Subscribe. Peace.